isolated and then play with it, okay? Period. Hey guys, it's your girl Tanisha Rickay, the ultimate baddie, and today in this video I will be showing you guys how to do a quick side-by-side color using the watercolor method. So here's the wig that I purchased from Amazon, from Aileen. The name of the company is Aileen. I know I'm not saying it right, but hey, that's the company name. I'll have it posted. It is a 18-inch 613 blonde lace front wig for $159. It is 150 density and it is already pre-plucked. It came with a stocking cap. This wig came fast. It came in 2 days. The hair didn't have any smell. The hair did shed though. Like, the hair definitely shed. The wig came with 4 clips on the inside, 2 on the side, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. The wig is pre-plucked already. Alright, so let's get into it. The next step is very important. Make sure that you have a crisp part down the middle. Make sure your part is very sharp and crisp down the middle. I brushed the hairs out of the way, and I even put some hair wax on the other side that I'm not dipping inside of the water as kind of a protectant for the other side. So here's the water. It's a warm water. I'm using the Adore color in the color 38 and Express in darkest brown. So I'm just going to place this color inside of the water. I don't really measure. I just kind of squeeze until I feel like it's enough. And now I'm just going to mix the color inside of the water. Make sure that you mix it very well. Make sure there's no clumps of color left in. So now I'm just putting just a little bit of the darkest brown in there to make it a little bit darker. I don't want that bright orange color. I kind of want it just a tad bit darker. So I'm doing a test strand to see if it's the color that I want. So now that looks about right, like the color that I wanted, and it's time to go ahead and dunk this hair inside of the water. So you want to make sure that you have a good grip on the other side, that you're not dunking in the water. You want to make sure that that is out of the way and in your hand tightly so you don't drop it. So you just go ahead and just dunk the hair right in the water. Like, just dip it in the water. Be careful though not to, put the whole wig in, and be wary of your part so that you make sure that you don't go over your part. So I'm trying to be as careful as I can now that I'm close to the part area, so that I don't go over. Even though I did put some wax on the other side, I just want to still be careful. And oh, y'all, it's coming along. As you can see already, like, you don't have to leave it in there for too long. The color is already there. So quick, so easy. So right now I'm just going through the hair, checking to see any spots that didn't get the color. And I've seen a couple of spots, so I'm just going to add some more color to the water and mix it in and mix it, and then I'm going to do the same process. I'm just going to dip that hair in there carefully. And boom, voila. Like, that was so quick. That was so easy. Like, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So I decided that I wanted to do like a cute little bang piece. So I, on the other side where the blonde is going to be. So I'm just zipping that little part in there. And this is the finished product. Like, so easy, so quick, so clean, so neat, perfect. Like, perfect. Like, what's period? Period. It is so easy, so quick to do. I love using the watercolor method. 5 minutes, like, that's it. Like, it came out so good. So I blow dried it. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's so cute. Like, the color came out so good. So good. So now I'm just going to style her. At this point, I kind of didn't know how I wanted to style her. But I'm going to do a ponytail and some crimps in the back. It's going to be so cute, so cute. So this is how the back came out. I crimped both sides. It's so cute. Look at her. So now I'm just going to put the front in a ponytail. And then I'm going to crimp the ponytail at the top. And now her is done. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Look at her, y'all. Got the whole half and half thing going on. Yeah, it's so pretty. Full speed, so full that belly, speed post, baby, in the waves in my ass, smoking weed, been through the same, on me, fly you out the breeze, full speed, so full that belly, speed post, baby, in Nikki Beach, waves in my ass, smoking weed, been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the bounce, yeah. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Told me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Told me, fly you out the breeze. Full speed, so full that belly, don't me, leave all of your things, yeah. Y'all, her is so pretty. Her is so pretty. Like, what? That's so freaking pretty. Alright, so yeah, now it is time to install her. I'm so excited. It's so pretty, so I'm so excited. I'm so excited to install her. So yeah, that's my favorite part, the install. So let's get into it. So once again, I told y'all about this already, but I am using the Bold Hold. Hold on. I am using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. And yeah, I already put my ball cap on. So I'm just about to install her. So I am just going to apply some makeup to the inside of the wig, because I have not um found a tent yet. Now I'm just about to cut the lace off. Who they calling me? Alrighty, let's put her on. Let's see what her else is looking like.
Fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the belly, on me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. On me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Speed post, baby, can make it breathe. Waves in my ass, smoking weed. Been through the sand and the field. All because of what I did on these, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stopping. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the mountain.
So yeah, I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I had a hard time installing this one, so I had to go to the bathroom mirror instead of installing inside of this mirror. Cause your girl was having a hard time, okay? Alright, so y'all, I had to bring y'all inside of the bathroom with me because that mirror was not cutting it for me at all. At all. So this is what the install is looking like. Trying to figure out, do I want to cut my sideburns or not? But I think I am. I don't want to do any baby hairs. I just want my pony to be a pony. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do any baby hairs or anything. But I think I do want to. Yeah, my hair is itching already. That's why I don't leave these wigs on. But yeah, I think I do want to do some sideburns though. Sideburns. Let me see. Come on, nice. What y'all think? Sideburns or no sideburns? Sideburns or no sideburns? Those for y'all, I want me some sideburns. So period, okay? Period, okay? So yeah, this is the final look. Slated. Period. 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 Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.